Hey everyone. So this is my debut as a YouTuber. For all of you kids in my class who are always saying that you want to be YouTubers, well, guess what? Mrs. Ryder is now a YouTuber. Wow, I'm pretty sure that I'm going to enjoy being a teacher much better. But I'm doing this so that I can hopefully make things a little bit easier for you at home. I'm going to have a section for math every day and a section for reading every day, and then I'm going to go ahead and read Humphrey. So I will section those out so you don't have to watch like 30 minutes of me at a time. Hopefully just 5 to 10 minutes, just a quick mini lesson, checking in, seeing how you're doing, and if you understand the day's lesson. So I'm sitting here at my kitchen table, and I'm going to work on math here with you just really quick. So you should have received, your parents should have received by email or remind the order that I want you to do these things in this week. So today is March 30th. It's Monday, and we are starting a new unit. I'm so grateful we finished all that open number line stuff with addition and subtraction before our little break here. I think the measurement, which is what we're working on today, will be okay in the beginning. We'll kind of see how it goes. But please remember, just do the best you can. I know we are all in this crazy situation, and all I'm asking is that you try. And if you're trying and you can't figure it out, don't worry about it. It'll be okay. We'll figure it out. But I don't want anybody to stress out over anything that's going to happen here. So I'm looking at the daily packet page we do. In class we keep our packets in the green folders. And I would have passed one of these out today on Monday. And I believe I put the family letter in there too, which might help your parents. I'm looking at page 166 on your packet, and I'm thinking that I stapled them together, but I know I was in such a rush, I'm not sure exactly how I did it. But today is about understanding length and measurement and using different tools. And I know you've all seen a ruler before, and you know that a ruler equals 12 inches, okay? Today they're not even going to have you measure with the ruler. They're going to show you a ruler on the back of the page. But basically there are just a few things you need to know for today, okay? At the top they have a picture of a marker, and then they're showing you the length of it, how long it is. So if I have a marker, I'm going to go ahead and measure how long it is from one side to the next. This is a marker, and they're using it not measuring it with a ruler, but they're using paper clips. Okay? And you can do that instead of saying, hey, this marker is 7 inches long. You could say this marker is 11 paper clips long. Okay, so nothing says that you have to use a ruler when you're first starting to learn a measurement. I know some people use the cubes, the base 10 cubes. Some people use the Unifix cubes, the ones that we hook together. But this particular time, they are using paper clips. So there's a couple things I'm going to kind of try to show you. It doesn't do a very good job. But the first one, it's showing you that when you measure the marker, notice how the paper clips line up exactly where it begins and exactly where it ends. That's going to be really important. Okay? And the second point here, they say, is don't put the marker in the middle of the paper clips. See how the paper clip starts here and the marker there? That's not going to give you an accurate measurement at all. And then the second one says, do not use paper clips that are different sizes. So here you'll see a small paper clip, a big one, a small one, a big one. That also is not going to give you an accurate measurement. You're either going to use all small paper clips or all large paper clips to do an accurate measurement. Okay? And then it says, do not have any paper clips on top. So do not have any paper clip on top of another paper clip. So this one's a little bit harder to see. Notice how when we measured up here, they're touching each other, but they're not overlapping like they are here. They have to be spread out. They have to be together, but not overlapping. These are overlapping. Okay, they're putting one on top of the other. It won't give you an accurate measurement. And this one, they didn't touch. So that doesn't give you an accurate measurement. So what you're going to want to be looking for is that your paper clips are measuring from the beginning to the end. You're not putting your marker in the middle. You're using all the right size paper clips. Your paper clips have to touch, but they can't be overlapping each other. Okay? And then it says how many paper clips fit under the marker. So which one of these are you going to choose to count? Well, not this one, right? And not this one because they're different sizes. This one, they're too far spread out. This one, they overlap. So to do an accurate measurement, you're going to have to choose that. And you can go ahead and count those paper clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 total. Okay. If you turn on the back, the only information it's really going to give you today, it says that a quarter, if you're looking at a ruler now instead of paper clips, a quarter is about an inch. Now remember, about is an estimate. It means it's not perfect, but it's going to get you somewhere close. So they just talk about how a quarter is about an inch. If you're measuring in inches and you don't have a ruler and you want to try to figure it out a little bit, you could do that. And then they also talk about centimeters. So on this side of your ruler is inches, and then underneath it is centimeters. Okay? Now, can you see the difference between inches and centimeters? Okay, so the spaces for inches are larger when you're measuring, and then centimeters are smaller. And that's something we'll get into a little bit more later on. So that's what they want you to look at there. And then the only other thing you have to fill out, it says, why would you measure the length of your shoe with a ruler instead of paper clips? So I would love to see what you have to say about that. If you would like to write a good response, take a picture and send it to me on Seesaw, that would be awesome. All right, when you finish that, your homework page today is pages 183 and 184. You're going to be so happy with this homework because it's so short compared to other homework that you've had. Be careful. It's going to, you can go ahead and refer back to your packet, but number 1 says it shows a pencil, and it shows that Juan used these paper clips to measure the pencil. He did something wrong. Can you see what he did wrong? If you're looking at it going, I don't know what he did wrong, go back to that packet and see if you can figure it out. And then number 2, same thing. It says that it's 4 paper clips long. Do you agree? So that's part 1. Yes, I agree, or no, I don't agree. And then why or why not? 2 sentences. On the back, they're using tiles now instead, so you can look at that. And you have to agree again or not agree. And then same thing for the crayon. Do you agree? And yes or no, and why or why not. And then you can go ahead and look at the last one there and tell me which one shows the correct way to measure it. So that's your homework for today. You can either hang on to it until I'm able to collect it from you, or if you are not sure about a few things, you can go ahead and take a picture of it, and you can send a picture of the front and a picture of the back to me on Seesaw, and I can give you some comments if you need some feedback before then. So I hope that helps. I'm under 10 minutes. No one had to use the bathroom, and the phone didn't ring. Wow, amazing. I'll be back tomorrow for your next lesson. Take care. If you have questions, remember you can always email or send me a remind text. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. Good luck.